Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of 9-story vertical irregular building by using StatPro VIT software part 1. So in this video, I will cover the concept which is related to the modeling part and analysis part. Initially, I will show you the model for the respected vertical irregular structure. So this is, let us consider this is my vertical irregular structure. I will show you this respected model in rendering view. Click on rendering view option. So this is our 9-story irregular structure. So it will be consisting of the 4-story building with rectangular section. Again, from the 5th story, it will be consisting of some more irregularity which is related for the respected 5th stories to 9th story. Due to presence of the extra portion from this respected top section, the loading rate will be applied is higher for this respected section. Due to that reason, the designing values will be varying and analysis values will be varying as per the shear point of view, bending point of view, as well as deflection point of view. So click on StatPro software initially. Click on new project, select spacing option, give the structure name, just I am taking it as G+9. Save your file location as per your requirements. So here I am saving my file location to G. Click on OK. Now here we have to select the length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. Click on next button, click on finish button. Now the software will be open like this. It will be consisting of 10 number of grids in horizontal direction as well as 10 number of grids in vertical direction. So initially we need to model this respective structure of irregular model. So for that, initially I will model the ground story for this respective structure. So after creating the ground story, I will copy the same properties for the remaining sections. So for this respective structure, it will be consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in horizontal direction. Again, it will be consisting of 6 numbers in vertical direction. So initially go to geometry, click on run structure wizard. So here we have to select the model type. Just I am selecting it as frame model. Select the bay frame. So initially we have to assume the length of the building. Just I am considering it as 18. Again I am taking height of the building is 3 meter. Why? Because just I am considering only ground story. So just I am taking width is also 18 meter. Number of bays along length direction are 6. Number of bays along height direction are 1. Number of bays along width direction are 6. Click on apply button. Now you can see the ground story model will be open like this. We need to import this respected model structure wizard software to StatPro software. Click on cancel button. Click on yes button. Click on OK. So now the model is imported to the respected StatPro software here. So after that we have to add the slab section for this respected ground story. So now we have to select the 4-node plate. For that, select first point, second point, third point, fourth point. Now I am copying this respected slab section in horizontal as well as vertical here. So select your plate, select this plate, go to select transitional repeat. Number of steps will be 5. Each step will be 3. Click on OK. Again in the same way, just I am selecting all this. Transitional repeat in the same way, Z direction. Number of steps are 5 and each step will be of 3. Click on OK. Now we can see the plates are assigned for the respective ground story like this. So after creating the ground story, we have to create remaining 3 stories. Okay. So for that, initially I am selecting all the structure which is related to your beams and column section. Go to transitional in Y direction. Number of steps will be 3 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. Now you can see whatever the beams and column sections are there, they are copied to the remaining step. Now we have to select the plate cursor again. In the same way, we have to select the plates. Transitional Y direction, steps will be 3. In the same way, 3 meter. Click on OK. Now you can see the 4-story building was modeled with the help of beams and columns and slab thickness. So after modeling process completed for the bottom 4 stories, we need to model remaining what we call 5 stories. So for that, initially we have to select the front view, click on cut section, click on select to view, click on OK. Now we have to cut this respected top story. Select top view. Okay. Now here for this respected structure, just I am assuming that will be consisting of irregularity will be consisting of for this respected 3 by 3 node points. Okay. So for that, select this. Go to transitional in Y direction and number of steps will be of, let us consider it as 5 and each step will be of 3 meter and we have to click on link steps options. Click on OK. Now we can see it was assigned this respected what we call copied this respected beams to the remaining 5 stories. Now in the same way we have to select the plates. Select this plate. Again we have to select second, third one. Select 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go to transitional repeat in Y direction. Number of steps will be of 5 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. Now you can see the whatever the plates are there at the 4th story, they are copied to the remaining 5 stories here. So after that we have to click on host structure command. Now we can see irregular building for this respective structure will be open here like this. Okay, so it will be consisting of the extra portion on the top 5 stories. So we need to analyze this respective building by using StatPro software and design this respective building by using StatPro software. So before continuing to the analysis part, we have to apply the properties and load cases and supports for this respective structure. So for that, initially go to modeling, click on general, select properties, click on define option. Now we have to select the rectangular section. Just I am selecting rectangular section will be consisting of 0.3 cross 0.23 for the top beams. Again I am taking 0.3 cross 0.3 is the column size. So in the same way, just I am taking bottom 4 stories will be consisting of 0.4 cross 0.4 is the column size. Again I am selecting 4 by 0.23 is the column size for the remaining bottom 4 stories beams. So now after that we have to select the thickness. So select the plate thickness. Just I am taking 150 mm is the thickness for the ground 4 stories. Again I am taking 120 mm is the thickness for the remaining 5 stories. Now we have to select the respective plate which is related to your respective 120 or what we call 120 mm. We have to assign this respective property for this respective 5 slabs. So for that, select the plate cursor, select all the plates at the 5 stories, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. In the same way we have to select this plate, select the plates, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. So in the same way we have to assign the beam sections properties which is related to your ground story section. So for that we have to select the 0.4 by 0.23 which is related to the beam properties. So for that we have to select this property initially. Again you have to select the beam cursor. Now we have to select all the beams at the ground 4 stories. Now you can see all the beam sections will be selected here like this. Again click on 3D view. So now we have to apply assign to view option, assign selected beams option, assign yes option. So after that again we have to select the front view. In the same way we have to select 0.3 by 0.23. Now we have to select the beam sections. Now you can see the beam sections are selecting here for this respective 5th story, 6th story, 7th, 8th, 9th story. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that we have to assign the 0.3 by 0.3 for the top column sections and 0.4 by 0.4 for the bottom column sections. So for that initially we need to cut the building into 2 parts. So initially I will cut the building to the ground story 4 stories which is related to the part 1. Cut this respected portion. So 0.4 by 0.4 is related to the bottom 4 stories. So for that initially we have to select beams parallel to y-axis. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that we have to assign this respected 0.3 by 0.3 which is related to the top column sections. So for selecting the top column sections we have one important method is there. We have to select this respected column section with the help of the missing property also. So for that select, click on missing attribute, select missing property. Now you can see the missing property will be selected here like this. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. Now we have to see this respected whole model in rendering view. Click on rendering view option. So this is the rendering view for this respected 9-story building. It will be consisting of 0.3 cross 0.23 is the beam size for the top 5 stories and 0.4 cross 0.23 is the beam size for the bottom 4 stories, and it will be consisting of 0.4 cross 0.4 is the column size for the bottom 4 stories, and it will be consisting of 0.3 cross 0.23 for the beam sizes for the remaining 5 stories. So after assigning the properties, we have to assign the supports. So for that go to general, click on supports option, click on create option, add your fixed support. Select your support to with the help of front view option. We have to select all the node points at the base. Click on assign to selected nodes, assign yes option. Now we can see the fixed supports are assigned at the base for this respective structure here. Okay.